Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aigpt token. Now the Aigpt token just got listed today, July 20th on a brand new, it's got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange with over 6 million users. This happens today at 12 o'clock UTC time. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, Aigpt, ticker symbol CRB, is an artificial intelligence infrastructure and ecosystem deployed on the Arbitrum network. So this token is being listed today, July 20th, 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search CRB, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, Aigpt is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence infrastructure and ecosystem deployed on the Arbitrum network. It'll bring unprecedented innovation to the cryptocurrency field, from automated trading agents to project insights and comprehensive crypto market analysis. Aigpt will lead cryptocurrencies towards a bright and brilliant future. So they have the public chain ecosystem and artificial intelligence involved with this project here. So they go over the history basically of what public chain ecosystems are on their white paper if you want to read about that. And you could find their full white paper at aigpt-organization.gitbook.io. They also tell you, what artificial intelligence is, what AI is. We don't need to really go over that. You obviously have heard a lot about that. You could Wikipedia that if you want. So, Aigpt, it's on the Arbitrum network that aims to achieve decentralization, sharing of training data, computing resources, and AI algorithms through blockchain technology. The Aigpt protocol is the core of the ecosystem, using smart contracts to allocate and manage various resources within the entire ecosystem. Each artificial intelligence system is decentralized, trained, and optimized by all computing nodes in the network. The Aigpt platform uses blockchain to record the training process and optimization parameters of each AI system, ensuring data transparency and immutability. Aigpt platform has also designed a token economy model to incentivize participation to provide computing resources for AI systems. So their goals is to provide vertical, effective AI services for crypto investors and operating teams, enabling cryptocurrency investors to obtain more popular information and more effective trading strategies on the Aigpt platform. Assist in high-quality blockchain operating teams in marketing, planning, and operation. Their vision is to build an open, transparent, and trustworthy AI ecosystem through blockchain technology and use economic incentives and market-oriented methods to optimize the development of AI technology change the future of crypto through AI technology. So their opportunities here, it says AI GPT is at the forefront of Chatgpt and is currently enjoying the dividends of being pursued by capital. Such large-scale and long-term events usually attract capital attention and investment. So some of the advantages here, it says AI GPT's application in the cryptocurrency field mainly focuses on asset analysis, intelligent customer service, and asset allocation, uses AI algorithms to predict users' needs. Crypto analysis robots analyze users' assets needs in real time and provide asset recommendations based on behavior attributes, investment style, and expert experience. So there's also a customer service system that uses natural language processing technology to efficiently analyze market information and extract key information comprehensively, extracting the content and details of crypto asset services and providing faster and more accurate services to the industry. So the technological advantages here, the GPT-X voice processing model may become a basic infrastructure above operating systems and one of the standards to be followed. The substantial improvement in user experience brought about by new standards may change users' habits and lead to a comprehensive application rebuild, which will be significant in events in the near future, in the next few years. So they have the ecological system, which has the role, the system, the governance, and the products. So they have AI projects providing algorithms. They have the AI nodes providing computing power, and then they have the AI users providing data. So those all play a role within this ecosystem here. You can read more in depth about those. And they have the governance. So basically, there's a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. So as a holder, you can be a voter, you can have voting power and participate in platform decision making, new product development, platform governance, and fund management. And then the products are on here. So they have tons of different services that basically you could use about AI. You can read all about that on their white paper. There's trading investment AI products, service AI products, marketing strategy AI is one of them, asset analysis AI. Then we have automated trading AI, investment strategy AI. And then they have the technical foundation. They talk about Arbitrum, artificial intelligence, optimistic rollup, and then of course a disclaimer at the bottom of their white paper. So check this token out. It just went live today on Mexc Global. And like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.